So on today's Just the Tip Tuesday, we're going to show you how to run a program that exceeds the max storage of your CNC memory. So what you'll do is you will load your program onto a compact flash like this. And for example, our program on here will be 0045. So you'll just put this in your machine, and then you have to load up a program. For example, we have it as 0016. And it is basically a program that will call up your compact flash as a subprogram. So you'll have to make that number match what number you called your program on the compact flash. And for that to work, you have to go into the settings and change this number to a 4. And that's how you load a program that maxes out your CNC memory on Just the Tip Tuesday.